Hello students, today we are going to continue the compound angles. Let us go for a problem as like this. Going to find the value of tan 75 degrees as like this. Problem. Find the value of tan 75 degrees. Let us see the solution. How do we find it? Consider tan 75. Consider tan 75 degrees. This tan 75 degrees can be written as sum of known angles 45 plus 30 degrees. Now this is in the form of tan of A plus B. Understand? Now we know the formula of tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B by tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Understand? A value 45 degrees, B value 30 degrees. We know the known values of 0 degree of trigonometric ratios 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. With the help of these values, we are going to find unknown values. Now that unknown value is tan 75 degrees. Understand? Now this can be tan 45 plus tan 30 degrees all by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30 degrees. What is tan 45 value? 1. Tan 45 degrees is 1. Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Again, tan 45 1. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. What will come in numerator? 1 plus 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Here take LCM 1. Now in numerator LCM is root 3. What will come here? Root 3 plus 1. In denominator LCM is root 3. What will come in numerator? Root 3 minus 1. Finally will come as root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. When roots are there, we have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing factor is of denominator. Take like this. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. In denominator, root 3 minus 1 is there. Its rationalizing factor is root 3 plus 1 divided and multiplied by root 3 plus 1. What is numerator? Root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 whole square. Denominator in the form of A plus B into minus B. A square, root 3 square. B square, 1 square. This is in the form of, numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square. Understand? So, a square root 3 square, b square 1 square, 2ab 2 into root 3 into 1 by square root get cancelled, 1 square is 1, square root get cancelled, will come in numerator 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1. How much? 2. In numerator will come 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. What is get common in numerator? 2 get common. 2 plus root 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. What will come here? 2 plus root 3. Next. So, therefore, the value of tan 75 degrees is how much? 2 plus root 3. Therefore, tan 75 degrees equals to 2 plus root 3. One note condition is there. Tan 75 degrees, it can be written as tan of 90 minus 15 degrees. 90 minus 15, 75. So, tan of 90 minus theta, cot 15 means tan 75 degrees equal to how much? Cot 15 degrees. Understand? Let us go for one more question as like this. Question is, find the value of cot 75 degrees. Find the value of cot 75 degrees. Understand? Solution. Okay. Consider cot 75 degrees. Okay. Cot 75 can be written as cot of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. This is in the form of cot of a plus b. Cot of a plus b equals to formula cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Listen, this is the formula of cot of a plus b, which is cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Understand? Cot of a plus b formula is cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Let us check how to find it. The value. What is a value? Angle A 45 degrees. Angle B 30 degrees. Those are put in the formula. Cot B cot 30 degrees. Okay. Cot A cot 45 degrees minus 1 all by cot B plus cot A, cot B 30, cot A 45 degrees. Cot 30 degrees equals to 1 by cot 30 degrees equals to root 3. 45 degrees is cot 45, 1 by cot 30 root 3, cot 45 1. So what will come here? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. In denominator root is there, that's why we are going to rationalize the denominator as like this: root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Rationalizing the denominator, rationalizing factor of denominator is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. In numerator what will come? Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square. Denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square, root 3 square, b square, 1 square. Expand the numerator in the form a minus b whole square, a square, root 3 square, b square, 1 square, minus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into 1. Square root get cancelled. 1 square is 1, 3 minus 1. Square root get cancelled. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. What is get common in numerator? 2 get common. 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 minus root 3. What is the value of 2 minus root 3? Cot 75 degrees value is how much? 2 minus root 3. We have a note condition. Listen, as like this. Okay? Now, note condition is cot 75 degrees can be written as cot of 90 minus 15 degrees. Can be written as cot of 90 minus 15 degrees. Listen. Okay? This can be cot of 90 minus theta. What is cot of 90 minus theta? Tan theta. We have the formula. That's why cot of 90 minus 15 degrees how much? Tan 15 degrees. Understand? Okay? As like this. So, cot 75 degrees value should be equal to tan 15 degrees. Understand? Okay? We can do one more problem as like this. We are going to find the value of, okay, sine. We are going to find the value of sine 105 degrees. Question. Find the value of sine 105 degrees. Understand? Sine 105 can be written as solution. Sine 105 equals to sine can be written as 1 into 90 degrees plus 15 degrees. Sine 105 degrees can be written as sine 90 1 into 90 plus 15. 1 into 90 plus 15 is cos 15 degrees. I have already told you sine 75 equal to cos 15 degrees. That should be equal to how much? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Understand? In the same way, we can find the values of another as like this. Cos 15 degrees. Okay. Let us see the one more value. The next question is, find the value of sine 105 degrees. Find the value of cos 105. Value of cos 105 degrees. Okay. Let us see the solution. Cos 105 degrees, it can be written as cos 105 degrees can be written as cos 1 into 90 plus 15 degrees. Cos 1 into 90 plus 15 minus sine 15 degrees. So, cos of 105 degrees, cos 105 degrees equals to sine 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay? Because cos 75 ki this value equals to cos 75. The remaining we should do in the next class.